Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to make profile picture visible to public on Skype app on Android device. Well, if you use Skype for professional purposes, making your profile picture visible allows you to establish your personal brand. A professional-looking photo can convey a positive impression to potential clients, colleagues, or employers. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Skype app on your device. Well, and then here enter to your profile page. After that, select the settings option. Well, next you can choose account and profile option, and then select profile picture here. Okay, so here we can activate the first one, public. Well, that's the tutorial on how to make profile picture visible to public on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.